Hi everyone. So I am Chakravarti, senior faculty member. But in this video, non-parametric test. It is very useful for all examination, like as semester and examination point of view, and understanding the concept of the non-parametric test, how to use this test, how to analyze the data. So by the non-parametric test is there is no parameter, specified parameter, there is no distribution. Now, based on the one criteria, so we have to analyze the data. There are several tests in this non-parametric. The first test is sign test based on systematic procedure. So, have to solve the how to analyze the data here. Number two is sign test for there are here is large sample and small sample. Very simple procedure is given to analyze the data. Next, another one, help of this test, sign test concept. Another one, related to sign test, Wilcoxon sign rank test. Wilcoxon sign rank test. Third one is very simple procedure is there. Easily we can analyze the data. Wilcoxon sign rank test also small sample and large sample. Third one is Mann-Whitney U test. The Mann-Whitney was given this test, Mann-Whitney U test. That is called U test. The fourth one is another. So many methods are there, but actually examination point of view, here is a median test. Median test. The fifth one is Kruskal Wallis test. It is also called H test. H test. All these are the important for various examination who are preparing for semester and examination, competitive examination, another examination point of view. All these are very useful. So begin with the sign test. Begin with sign test. First test, sign test, is very simple test for single, actually double and single sign test are included in these non-parametric methods. But single sample sign test is very important for your examination point of view. Sign test, that is called large sample Here last sample means what here? Last sample means n greater than 25. N is greater than 25, that is called n is large. Step by step method is there. Step 1, set up null hypothesis H naught population median. Here is also based on the median, we have to use this sign test. The median m is equal to md is equal to md naught, some specified value. Set up alternative hypothesis H1 population median is not equal to md naught. This is the first case. Second case, population median md is greater than md naught, md less than md naught. One tail test not equal to means two tail test. So step number 3, level of significance is alpha percent LOS. Alpha percent LOS, level of significance. Choose either 5% or 1%. Choose either 5% or 1%. Step number 4, sign test procedure. Step 1, subtract md naught from each sample observation and replace each deviation by its sign, a plus or minus. Use plus sign. Our observation is more than md naught, some specified value. Use minus sign. Observation value less than specified value of median, or 0 if observation value and specified value both are same, use 0. The deviation is 0. Find capital X. Find capital X is number of positive deviations. How many positive deviations in this procedure? Positive deviations, that is very important one. N is equal to total number of plus and minus signs after dropping zeros. After dropping by after dropping out zeros. Zeros, if is there any zeros in the deviations? Drop zeros, if any. If possible, if there is any zeros in the problem, so now drop that zeros and count the number of plus signs and minus signs. Suppose 1 0 is there, you have to subtract 1 from n, 2 zeros are there, 1 from sample size, that is called n. That is called n. So now step number 5, test statistic. Compute the test statistic Z by using the following formulae. Compute the test statistic Z by using the following formulae. Z equal to x plus 0.5 minus n by 2 by root n by 2 is follows n of 0, 1. First formula, if number of deviations less than number of positive deviations less than n by 2, n is called total number of plus and minus signs after dropping out zeros. Second formula, z equal to x plus x minus 0.5 minus n by 2 square root of n by 2 is follows n of 0 comma 1 if x greater than n by 2. There are two concepts here. Step number 6, decision final if mod z calculation is greater than critical value of z. Critical value of z means sign test tabulated value we reject H naught This is the first decision. Second decision, if mod z calculation less than or equal to sign test table value v h naught may be regarded as true. So this is the uh, 6 steps sign test for large cases. N is greater than 25. Now we have to take the problem how to use this. That is very important one. So this is the problem. To test the claim that median age of mathematics family mathematics faculty in the state community college at least 42 years. The results from a random sample of 32 mathematics faculty gave the following ages like this. All these are the faculty age like this. Here this information is given by the researcher. Now use sign test at 5% LOS to claim by using classical method. Our method is classical method. Now here set up null hypothesis H naught, the population median is greater than or equal to 42. That is MD naught. MD naught. Or median age of mathematics faculty in the college is at least 42 years. Step 2, H1. MD is less than 42. Left tail test. Alternative hypothesis is what is this here? The college is at least 42 years. The median age of the mathematics faculty is at least 42 years. That is a statement. That is null hypothesis. Alternative is less than 40. Setup. So set alpha is 5% LOS in the problem. The calculation of X, the number of positive deviations. Now subtract a specified value. The specified value of the median is 42. Now subtract this value from each and every observation. So now and here is uh, find the deviations. All these red marks are positive deviations. Here is all these are here is positive deviation. Now this is positive deviation, the negatives. Now here I use the green color for negative deviations. Negative deviations. Here is also negative, 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 negative deviation, negative deviation, negative deviation. For this case is 0 because of the deviation is 42 minus 42 is called 0. How many zeros are there here? Only one zero. That is count the number of positive deviations. Here n is equal to number of positive deviations and number of negative deviations. N is equal to 32 minus 1 after dropping zeros. N is equal to 31. X equal to number of positive deviations. Number of positive deviations 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Mainly concentrate only positive deviations. Here n is sample size. Sample size is more than 25. Use large sample test. Large sample test. Step number 5. Test statistic. Now 14 is less than 32. 14 is less than 31 by 2. That is 15.5. Use Z formula. X less than n by 2, use first formula. X less than S greater than n by 2, use second formula. Now here is first formula is suitable. X minus X plus half minus n by 2 by root n by 2 is follows n of 0 comma 1. Z calculation. X is 14 plus half minus 15.5 by root 31 by 2. The final minus 2 by 5.56 minus 0.36. Z calculation, mod Z calculation 0.36. Sign test table value. I will provide the sign test table value. For large sample case, here also use Z table value. No need to use sign test table value is same as to Z table values. Here not necessary use Z table value. So not necessary use sign table value. For small sample case, use sign table values. For large case, the Z statistics follows normal distribution. That's why Z table value, Z 0.05, one-tail test concept, one-tail test value 1.645. Go to the Z normal table values already provided. Normal table values. So there is a small change in procedure also. So mod Z calculation less than Z tab we may not reject H naught. We may not reject H naught. or we fail to reject H naught. We fail to reject H naught. We conclude that we conclude that there is not sufficient evidence against H naught, the median, population median age at least 42 years. The claim that the median age of the mathematics faculty in the state community college colleges is at least 42 years is valid. So now here in the procedure, uh, critical value of Z, here is critical value of Z means Z table value. Here also Z table value. For large case, use Z table value. We may be regarded as Z calculation less than or equal to Z table value. H naught. H naught may be regarded as true. This is the final result. So the sign table values only for small sample case. This is the large sample case. For large sample case, use only normal table values. In the next video, I will explain the small sample case.